right, so you want to know how to get your cell phone, and this can be an Android or an iPhone, this is an iPhone in this demonstration, to your TV using a Chromecast. You gotta have one of these first so that you can plug it into your TV, and then you need one of these so that you can speak to it. So let's give it a shot with these two devices, and I'll show you what else you need. So once you have your cell phone set up and you have your Google Home app installed, you also need something called a MomoCast. See the third one down right there? MomoCast. It's free. You can get this so that you can screencast and share what's on your iPhone over on the TV. Let's give it a demonstration. Let's go ahead and open up MomoCast. Here, boom. Get her going. And what happens is it automatically looks for the TV, but I'm going to go cancel for now. I'm going to go cancel because you got to have it send thing. That's the whole thing about these Google Home Minis, is that you have to attach it. So first off, you're going to click this little button up here in the top. See this little screencast? You're going to get used to seeing those on YouTube videos when you have your Google Home. You can just click it, but you can't send Instagram or Facebook, just the video. So you got to click it. And you get this, and then you're going to say TV, and you're going to click OK, because that's the name of my TV. And boom, so now you're going to get an icon on the TV. Ooh-ah, MomoCast, there it is. But nothing's playing yet. So what's going on? Well, what's going on is you got to still set up you still got to, screencast it. So I'm just going to X this. Well, let's let this play, because it can mess things up. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. And every time you... So I'm going to pause it. I'm going to minimize. X this damn thing out. And I'm going to go back to Instagram here. And of course, I'm going to log in. Ay, ay, ay. Doesn't matter, actually. I'm just going to back this up. See, this URL bar up here is where you got to copy paste from your browser in your app. Paste something in here. So I already pasted a few things in here, and I pasted my own Instagram. But let's go console. I'm going to click on me. Go to my main page. There we go. So this is what I wanted to show you first, and just here jumped in to show you how the videos work. But you got to do things like if you want to, you got to click this button up here to mirror it, and that's the tough. Just repetition. See, mirror screencast or mirror screen. There you go. Mirror screen on it. So now you got it. So now if you're hanging out with friends and family at in your living room, you can go, hey, look at my Instagram. Have you seen this picture? Here, let me show you. Here, let me show you my team for my company. Here, check it out. There it is. And you can go back. And what I really liked was the whole video thing that you just saw there. You can click on the videos and you can play these suckers. Now, because I was trying to do that the other night. And it's like, here we go.
Happy holidays from the GemWeb team to all of you for this beautiful holiday season.
Oh, come on, that's cool. There's a lot of other ways you can do this, but this is essentially how you can do this. Now, you're going to keep coming back to this screen like this, and all you got to do is keep pressing that button up here on this Momo app to mirror screen. And there you go. And, you can also do this in Facebook, the same sort of thing, which I'll show you in another video after this. It's basically the same thing. You just go to Facebook, just copy paste in your Chrome browser or Safari on your mobile app, paste it up into there, copy paste, hover, thumb touch and hold and press, and paste it into this URL, press play or click enter, and it'll refresh this, and you just keep sending things. So then all night long you can show people what's on your real social media. I don't understand why Chromecast and Google Mini, have not done this, but I guess it's a slow thing, and that's how it is. So here it is. That's a free app, MomoCast, that you can go on to your app store and go ahead and get it. Thank you very much for this video, and I'll see you in another one.